Alright, how to extract text from cells. This time, ang gagawin natin ay mag-split tayo ng character o i-split natin, hahatiin natin itong item number into different categories. No? Itong 4526, that is the location, and then the ABC ay manufacturer, and then the size would be the 14. No? So, paano po natin i-split yan? So, ang gagawin natin ay equals left shift 9, click mo lang sa item number, comma, put 4, and then close 4. Bakit? Dahil 4 yung karakter noong location. 4526, that is 4. Then tab. Manufacturer equals mid, shift 9, click mo sa item number, comma, 6, 6, comma, 3, and then close. Bakit po 6? So, kung bibilangin natin yan ay yung 6 ay magka-count dito, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh no, other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, papaganon, ano? And then, comma, 3. Bakit 3? Dahil yung manufacturer ay 3 ang character. So, 3. And then, tab. No? Size equals right. Shift 9. Click mo sa item number. Comma. 2. Bakit po 2? Yung number of the size ay dalawa lang. No text. Dalawa lang number. So, 2. And then, close. Shift 0. Enter. And then, drag nyo na lang the rest para makuha nyo yung iba pa. Ayan. So, that's extract text from cell. Kung paano tayo mag-extract o maghahati. No? Okay.